Hi everyone, it's Andy Zhang here and Robert Simpson from McGrath in Box Hill. Super excited to share this amazing opportunity with you all at 3 Hawkshead Court in leafy Croydon Hills.
Such an impressive single-level family home. We cannot wait to show you through. It is so unique to have this much living space in a single-level family home. We start off at number 1. Number 2.
Number 3. And number 4. Now this one is separate from the main home. This can be used as a study space, an office, a rumpus, whatever your needs may require.
Well, here we are in the heart of the home, the kitchen, meals, living space, a family favourite I'm sure, leading straight outside to the outdoor alfresco area.
Now in relation to outdoor entertaining, certainly a wonderful space to be in here, whether it's with family or friends. This charming and resort style feel certainly would tick all the boxes. Barbecue is also plumbed into the mains. The perfect family home in the perfect court location.
This one's not to be missed. We look forward to seeing you at an inspection soon.